All right, hello and welcome to Lesson 2, Part 1 of the WordPress tutorial course for beginners. And what we're going to be doing in this portion is we are going to install the rest of the pages and then also decide what skin we're going to be using for Themify or from Themify. And also one thing that I forgot to mention in the previous lesson is let's go ahead and head back over to the WordPress dashboard, and we're going to go down to settings, and we're going to go down to permalinks, and we're going to want to make sure that we select post name. That means WordPress is going to generate slugs and what have you based on the name of the post or the name of the page instead of other information like page number, post number, sample post, and what have you. And so just generally speaking, everybody that uses WordPress primarily recommends using the post name for the permalink structure. Go ahead and save those changes. And then we can move on from there, going to our Themify Ultra. And we're going to go into our Themify settings. And under skin and demos, there's a whole bunch of default pages you can instantly, or excuse me, not pages, but default WordPress skins that you can instantly import, and voila, you have an instant website. And the various skins that they have available are as follows. They have a default skin, they have a skin for an accountant, they have a skin for an agency. And again, this adds all the pages, posts, and everything, all the content. Essentially, this is really nice if you're an agency or if you plan on being an agency where you only have to basically have this one Ultra theme from Themify and you can instantly have a ton of different websites available to you. Moving right along, they have an agency version 2. They have an app type skin for app landing pages, a coffee theme for coffee shops, an ebook if you're an author, an e-commerce store kind of skin. Of course, you have to add additional plugins for that, and we'll talk about that later in the WordPress e-commerce tutorial. We also have an education theme, fitness theme, game theme, a theme that just basically puts everything in a horizontal format, lawyer and attorney theme, a really neat lifestyle theme, music, band, and festival theme. If you're a photographer, they have a theme for you here, portfolio, an eatery, restaurant type bakery, as well as a sushi restaurant down here, a spa, a software company, and a wedding. So let's say you are getting married and you want to put something online that's more permanent. They have a wedding demo. Now what you can do is just go through here and decide which theme that you want to import. And the theme that I'm going to utilize, I think, is going to be one that I haven't used before, so I can walk through the process with you and feel the same. And I've never used the sushi theme, but I've also never used the agency theme. And so since iWeber is more of an agency type domain, I'm going to go ahead and view the demo of this agency theme here. And I kind of like this. I like the look and feel of it. I like the layout. Let's see what kind of, oh yeah, I kind of like that. We'll go ahead and close out of that, and we're going to look at the Agency 2, view that demo. And of course, you can view any of these demos. We are a professional web and development solution company. Oh, there we go, iWeber. Oh, I like it. So, the way we import this, go ahead and close this out, and you just click on it now, and you import. And it shows that, okay, we do have the Builder Contact plugin installed. We need the Builder Pricing Table, which is not installed. So really quickly, I'll head on over to Themify. And of course, I've linked up everything in the description below. I'll go to the member area quickly. and I'll go down to Themify pricing table. I'll download that really quick, head back over here to the back end of the website, head over to plugins, add new, and then I'll go ahead and upload. Let's see here, where'd it go? Builder pricing table, open. See if I can't get this back in the window here. Okay, there we go. And I'll install it. Activate the plugin. Go back to the appearance themes. Oops, I'm sorry. Themify Ultra, Themify settings, my bad. Skins and demos, go back to the agency 2, click on it, and import. Include all demo images. It'll take a little longer. Yes, I am, because I want to show you how to determine the size of the images that are imported so that you can open them up in Photoshop and then replace those images with your own images and replace the content with your own content. And then in the future, I will have an additional tutorial on the Themify builder, which is actually going to be based on their tutorials. They have actually excellent tutorials for this. Proceed with the import. And so now if I head over here, I'm a little off here. So now if I head over to the front end, you can see that there's some additional information about portfolio, contact, get started. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the back end of the dashboard, go to the appearance. We're going to go to menus, and we're going to see what menu they installed. And they called it the main navigation menu. We're going to select that. And then, oops, main navigation menu, and then we're going to make it the main navigation. Tick this down here. You're going to save that. Now we're going to go back to the front end and see what we have here. We have home and blog. So we want this one to be the main navigation. Let's see what happened here. Okay, there we go. Let's see what pages they installed here. So we're going to trash our front page that we created. Empty out the trash. We're going to go back to the settings and then the reading. And we're going to make it so that it lands on the static home page that they previously created after we deleted ours. Save that, and then go back to the front end. And now you can see that it is now displaying their home page instead of ours. And voila, there you have it. So let's go double check the pages again. All pages. So, as promised, we have the 5 pages, a home page, a contact page, an about page, a portfolio or services page, depending on the type of business you are. And from this point on, we're going to go ahead and learn in the next part of lesson 2 how to change out this information and all this content so that it is yours and it's relevant to you. We're going to also learn how to determine what size these images are and how to resize them using Photoshop or one of the free photo editors that was discussed in the tools and resources required portion of lesson 1, I think, part 1. And so anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end this portion at this point, and I will see you in the next part of lesson 2. Hope to see you there. Bye.